Morning, everyone. Three things we're watching today. First of all, markets are set to take a little bit of a breather. Why is that? So first off, yesterday was a good day in the markets. Started out a really negative day. Markets were down kind of across the board. Throughout the day, we saw those numbers slowly either improve or even become positive, with some indices either at or near all-time highs right now. So February 18th, pretty much all the large cap stuff is at or near all-time high today. So what's moving the market a little bit negatively today? One, there's the hearing in the US with respect to the GameStop, the Reddit stuff. That's obviously negative. A bit of a negative sentiment towards Walmart earnings. Walmart is down about 4% this morning in pre-market trading. And I think, and some analysts, I've read on some analysts are reporting that the interest rate spike in the 10-year US Treasury is also causing a little bit of fear in the market. So interest rates going up short term that quickly, some analysts are saying could be problematic for stocks. Obviously, money could shift to fixed income, et cetera. And the market typically anticipates moves before the bond market typically anticipates moves before the stock market. Let's take a look at some stocks here that reported earnings in Canada: Canadian Tire and Nutrien. So Canadian Tire, they beat expectations. They reported fourth quarter profit up compared to a year ago. So the revenue came in at net income attributable to shareholders was $488 million. That's $8 per share. A year ago, it was $334 million, or $5 per share. So a big increase. So 4.32 billion of 4.87 billion of total top line revenue. Just a great quarter for Canadian Tire. Expected to be up. Nutrien, Canada's the world's largest producer of potash. This fertilizer that is used for agricultural purposes. Earnings were $316 million in the quarter. Last year, they lost money. So that's good. This stock has been beat up for a long time. Remember, they merged Agrium and Potash. They merged, I don't know how many years ago, but the stock has never really been able to get legs under it. So a bit of a profitable quarter. So we'll see if that changes things. Other stocks I'm keeping an eye on here. Walmart, I mentioned it earlier. Walmart, they announced earnings. Not so great. They reported adjusted quarterly earnings $1.39 per share. But overall, the consensus estimate was $1.50. But remember, they had a 7-cent impact from the UK tax repayment. So the top line revenue number beat forecast, and the comparable sales were up 9% year over year for each store. So overall, I don't see this as that terrible. And most analysts don't see this as that terrible. But obviously, the market's always right. It's down about 4% pre-market trading. If we look at Waste Management, shares are up about 1 to 2% after they beat estimates by 4 cents. They also increased their dividend by 12 cents to $2.30 per share. All right, let's take a look at those pre-market numbers here before we finish off the day. If we take a look at the dollar, it's up 15 basis points to 78.89. The Dow futures down 130 points to 31,412. If we take a look at gold, it's up $7 to 1783, and oil is up 45 cents. It's on fire lately. It continues to make new highs. These are 13, 14-month highs, up 45 cents to 61.59.